Everyone, let's get started. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to show you how to get a free Watermelon SVG. And I say free, what I mean is a Creative Commons license. So go ahead and type Watermelon SVG free and then go to images here on Google. And then you're going to get all kinds of images. Now, some of these may not be free. So what I want you to do is go over to where it says tools, all the way over to the right here, and click on that, and then you'll see something called usage rights. Go ahead and click on that little arrow going down, and you're going to see Creative Commons licenses. These are the licenses that on average are usually free, and most times they just want you to acknowledge the artist. So you just need to click on one to find out exactly what you can do with the image. So let's go ahead and click on this one right here. It has a Wiki Commons license details, but let's go ahead and visit the site, because this is more than likely where you're going to download your product. And you can download it and it will tell you all the information you need here, and you can pick the image file size that you need. You will see it is an SVG and will work perfectly with Design Space. So you can also email a link to the file if you want to share it with other people. Now when you scroll down, it's going to give you information on licensing. So here you are free to share, to remix it, which means that you can change the image to your liking, and your attribution. Now this is where it's telling you what you need to do. Under the following conditions, you may do this if you provide appropriate credit, provide a link to the license, and indicate if any changes were made. You may do so in any reasonable manner, but not in any way that suggests that the licensor endorses you or your use. So if you're going to use this, then what you want to do is make sure that you are providing a link to this as to where you got it, if you're going to be sharing it with other individuals. And I'm sure that's why they give you the option to email a link to the source. So those are the things that you want to look at when you are picking your watermelon. There are other places that you can see. Pixabay is actually a really good place to go and get free SVGs, and they also tell you what you need to do. See, this one says free for commercial use and no attribution required. So this one is completely free to use any way you want. So those are really good options for you to get some free SVGs, and then you can load them into Design Space and make changes as you want based on the license and what you have read. And they are definitely free for personal use, but these are mostly used for commercial, when people are looking for commercial free use. And that just means selling your product, your end product. You cannot sell the file itself, but you can sell whatever you make with it. Okay, well, I hope that helps you. I know that finding SVGs, creating SVGs is always a challenge, and paying for SVGs is not always an option. So if you like this video, be sure to subscribe to my channel, because I will be doing a lot of quick videos to help you in your crafting ventures. Thanks a lot.